sea is nice and rough today. But we know the Galjoen like that. Let's see what we can get. I put my red bait on in the form of a little worm, because I believe the fish like it like that. Yeah, so first cast, first gully, buttes on the fresh red bait. He will go back. I'll just keep him in the pool here so he doesn't spook any of the other fish while I'm fishing. Nice. So I'm getting a lot of action. There's a lot of bites, but the fish seem to be kind of on the smallie side. But we'll keep on trying. It's a very rocky area, very rough here. So gonna lose some tackle. But anyway, let's see. We only got this one. Looked promising, but then it didn't go as planned. Let's put this guy back. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of bites of smallish fish. Then it died down a little bit. And then here right at the end I was playing a bit of a waiting game and I got a very big pull, but my hook was a bit embedded in my bait when it came out, so probably a decent gully there, but yeah, tomorrow is another day, and weather prediction is quite nice, so we'll make another cast tomorrow. So it's a beautiful morning, beautiful Sunday morning here in Struisbaai this morning. I waited a bit too long. Now all the good fishing spots has been taken, it seems. I'll have to just scratch around a bit. The Springboks lost to Australia. The Proteas lost, and Driekus lost to Kamzat. Everybody just lost. I feel even if I catch nothing today, I'm still gonna feel better than those dudes. So yeah, it's just fun to be out. Conditions aren't perfect, but the weather is beautiful. Last night we only managed to catch that one gully. Swell has dropped a little bit. The tide's higher at the moment. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, so just like yesterday, I got a nice small young gully on my very first cast. Let's hope it continues and they just get bigger. Yeah, things are really uneventful at the moment. It's the harsh reality that Struisbaai is under immense fishing pressure most of the time. Every day there's a guy fishing every spot. That's unfortunately the reality. So if you come and you fish here and you catch anything, it's a good day. Obviously some days are better than others, but yeah, so far it's been a bit quiet now. I think I'm gonna make one more cast and then I'll call it a morning. Go and have some coffee. Okay, so yeah, my bait is just coming out untouched now. Tide's going out. I think it's safe to say that most of the fish have all had their breakfast. One last look at this little guy. I'm going to release him. There you go. Insane how fast they are. So that's it. Till next time.